Isn't it amazing what you can buy on Amazon? Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to dethatch your lawn with this Greenworks Dethatcher. I'm Mike. You might have seen my video from a few years ago where I put a dethatching blade onto my lawnmower to remove all the dead grass from the lawn. It's been viewed over 250,000 times. I thought about renting a power rake dethatching machine from Home Depot, but it was going to cost $77 just for the day. This thing retails for $200, but it's often on sale for under $150. Renting that power rake twice, about the same cost as this. I've included an affiliate link down in the video description to Amazon so you can find out how much this Greenworks dethatching machine costs today. If you've not dethatched your lawn for a year or two, it most likely needs it. Thatch is a layer of dead grass that builds up over time. Now, it's good to have some. About a ½ inch is a good amount, but when it gets beyond that, it's time to clear out some of that thatch. This will help avoid pests and disease. It'll also help more oxygen and moisture get to the roots of your grass. If your lawn is feeling spongy or it takes some effort to dig down to the soil with your finger, it's time to dethatch. Consider the time of the year. The lawn should be growing and a bit moist. A rough guide is that cool season grasses, typically planted in the northern half of the United States, should be dethatched in the early spring or the fall. For warmer climate grasses, the late spring or early summer is the time you want to dethatch. First, mow the lawn shorter than normal to help in the dethatching process. When you're done, don't forget to raise the height of your mower. You're going to push the dethatcher across the lawn, not too fast, not too slow. You should see a lot of dead grass coming up with the tines of this dethatching machine. You might want to consider going over your lawn a second time at a 90-degree angle from the first pass. This Greenworks electric dethatcher is also available in a battery version. Since I only use it once a year, I figured I'd save the extra money and just get the corded version. You can see how much dead grass has come up with this dethatcher. Now we get the fun of cleaning it up. You can try collecting the thatch with your lawnmower, but you might find that the bag fills up too fast. I found that a leaf rake and bagging was the easier way to go. Dethatching is just part of having a healthy lawn. Now if you do decide to purchase one of these Greenworks dethatching machines, I appreciate it if you use the Amazon affiliate link in the video description. It costs you nothing more but sends a small commission my way from Amazon when people make purchases. Thanks and have a great day.